I play a lot of video games. I think there's a lot of room to make video games deeply fulfilling. Like there's a lot of space where that can go.
I didn't know you played a lot of video games, because when I asked you specifically, should I play World of Warcraft or do Advent of Code? You're like, Advent of Code, Advent of Code.
Oh, well, that might mean I've never played World of Warcraft because there's certain games that I avoid. Fortnite, by the way, I think was one of them because I was worried to become too addicted.
Yeah.
So there's certain games I just know I won't get super addicted to. Like, for example, I'm terrified of Civilization. Like, I've never played a Civs game because I'm worried. The dark path in my lead, because there's some games just really pull you in. I'm much better with, that's why I play Skyrim. I can play these games, or Baldur's Gate, and moderate how much I play, and they could be like a lifelong companion versus an addiction where I'm like, it's like sunrise and you're like, what's happening with my life? And I find myself naked behind a dumpster somewhere just wondering what happened. Yeah, so that's how I choose my video games.
You're not the first person who has specifically called out Civilization.
Yeah.
I've had more than one person, also very high up in the tech world, be like, Civilization is my downfall. If I get near that game, I'm done.
Yep. So
I've never even played the game now. It makes me be like, dude, I gotta give this a try. That sounds crazy.
yeah, and the new one is actually supposed to be really, really good.